bike review, and this bike is not getting sponsored yet. So I'll see you with the review. Okay, guys. Sorry about that misunderstanding. We had to do something. So we're gonna do a bike review. We're gonna do 3. So I'll be the one who's going to hold the camera because yeah. So
we don't really have a cameraman at the time.
yes. So for the first video, for the first tip thing is about the color. The color. There's full orange, yeah. Full orange, right? On the wheels, the pegs, yes. So there's full orange on the pegs, on the rims, the brakes, with the brake color here. The brakes are the brakes of the can is orange, and this is freestyle here. So it says freestyle here. Same along rims, pegs are orange, and then on the seat it says freestyle bicycle. So yeah.
And no sponsors.
Yes, no sponsors.
Make it clear.
So that's style. Number 2 will come back. So guys, if you did not see, we're going to do number 2. Now, we'll be doing pegs. So these pegs have 2 on both sides. One side, come here on the front and on the back. So that'll be number 2 and come back. And that'll be number 2 and come back on number 3. Now number 3 is going to be the brakes, as you can see in the show. So my friend's going to come in again and see how loud the brakes are, and they're really strong.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, guys. Now my friend is going to go all the way down there somewhere, and then we're going to see how loud the bike really is. So how about you actually go and see what will happen. Go. Never mind the other guy, that's somebody else. I have no idea. 1, 2, 3, let's go, man.
You heard that?
Yep, that was really good. So come back here. Okay, wait. So guys, I think that'll be it for the video. So peace on the V3 fly.